Welcome back, guys, and also welcome to Kairi's Happy World. And so we're gonna unbox Family Dentist toy. Let me unbox it. Why is it already here? I cannot say sorry later. Okay, now this is a toothbrush. I don't know what's this. I'm gonna put it on here. Nah. There. Help me, Dad. What is the problem? Couldn't open it. This is your day. What's that? Oh, what's that? A teeth mirror. That's amazing. How about this one? A grill. How about this one? An injection. I cannot get the tray. Let me get it. Okay, go there now, mister. Here you go. Mister. Something. What? This will be first. I'm gonna do it. No, this is here. I'm gonna do it. Stop it, mister. Don't open your mouth. And then we need an injection. Kairi, we need an injection. Here's your injection, Kairi. Thanks. And I want a drill. This must be strong. You need to injection it first. Come on. There's no mirror. Okay, let me see. Oh, I see a broken teeth. And now we need her. Yeah. I'm gonna take off his tinga. Tinga? Yes. What is the English of tinga? I don't